on Adventures with Eva. Today we're going to be trying Filipino snacks and rating them to 5 or 1. So the first one we're going to try is Goldilocks Pulveron. So this is what it looks like. And this is what we're going to open. So let's open it. Got it? This one flavor is cookies and cream. 1, 2, 3. I think I rate this a 5. I really like it. It's also crunchy. So the next one we're going to try is Pastillas. It's kind of a silly name. So this is what it looks like. And we're going to try it. So let's open it. Wow. Pastillas. This is what it looks like. And we're going to try it. One fell on my table. It's a very sweet, soft, and hard. And it tastes really good. So I'll give this a 4. That's good. No, I like it because it doesn't really get on the roof of my mouth. So the next one we're going to try is the chicharron. Oh, and did you know I got this from the Filipino store? Let me look this. Ooh, I get this one. Oh, and did you know chicharron's my favorite? So let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Very crunchy and salty. Really good. I'll give this a 5 because I really love chicharron. Okay, I'm all done with it. And it's really good. So the next one we're going to try is the Yema. Oh, and did you know this was from my Lola Pinky? So these are really good. Let me get this one. This one is going to be really good. It's kind of like a triangle. Okay. It's caramelly too. So I have to be very careful. This is very sticky and very caramelly. Hope I said that right. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. This is really good. It's crunchy. And after it's crunchy, it's soft. And I also like how it doesn't go on the roof of my mouth. I'll give this a 5. I really like that. Thank you, Lola Pinky. So the next one we're going to try is Ding Dong. It's like when you ring a doorbell and it goes ding dong. It's very funny. Let's open it up. Ooh, smells really good. Ooh, and it feels hard. Look, this is what it looks like. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. I think I'll give this a 4. Did you know there's a green one? Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3. I don't really know what this tastes like. That was crunchy and salty, but I guess I'll give this a 4. I didn't really like it. So the next one we're gonna try is the tamarind. These are like almost like a big raisin. So let's eat it. It's chewy and soft, but it's actually really sour, so I don't like that one. That's why I give it a 3. So the last one I'm gonna try is the dry mango. Ooh, kind of feels soft. Kind of gonna feel chewy, I think. Yeah. Whoa, it's kind of like this one. Do you see the difference? Okay, I'm just gonna take a bite of this because it's also sticky. Hope this one is not sour. 3, 2, 1. This is actually sweet. This time, it's super sweet. I like this one. I wonder how I'll take this out. I'm tearing because it's sour in my throat. Good thing I have water. I wonder if it's better than the tamarind, so I'll give it a 4. The winner is the chicharron because it's really good and it's really, really, really salty. So I'm going to try another one. I'll try the big one. Oh yeah, this one is the big crunchy. Since it's big, it is crunchy. I'll give this 2 thumbs up because it's really, really good. And you guys could try it too at the Filipino store. Have you guys tried all of these snacks? Well, they're really good, so make sure to buy them. Stay tuned for more videos and like and subscribe. Bye-bye!